Welcome to your Creative Reset, the podcast that helps you rethink how you live and work as we explore insights from human behavior, creative clarity, and biblical faith. Together, let's overcome self-doubt, find direction, and build a life with purpose and freedom. This is Danix Dumdum, your host. Now close those 16 open tabs because your reset starts now. Welcome to episode 16 of your Creative Reset. So this is another no structure episode where I wanted to do from time to time pag meron akong mga special announcements or things that I wanted to share with you guys. But before we step into what's next, I just want to take a moment with you to look back and share how this podcast has changed my life. And hopefully, one way or another, nakatulong din ako na magbago yung perspectives mo in your life, in your future, in your past, in everything that you have right now. I just wanted to share when I started this podcast kasi, yung feeling ko, it was like a fresh out of the hospital feeling. Kakalabas ko ng hospital because the Lord healed my grief from losing Mama and Tita Len. Alam ko deep within my heart how the Lord healed me. As in talagang in a snap, bigla na lang dumating sa akin na I'm healed from the pain, from the grief, from all of this. I mean, in a normal setting of losing your only parent, the reality of facing death. Hindi ko ma-explain how the Lord healed me. Basta, I can't put it into words. Basta alam ko, He did. And I'm not here right now kung hindi nangyari yun. Probably, lugmok pa din ako, nakayukyuk pa rin ako sa kama or whatever. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko, but I'm just so grateful to the Lord that He did. I will still miss Mama, and that's okay. Kasi I will forever and always will miss her until the day na makasama ko siya ulit. And in that season, this podcast became my clarity. Na yung every episode was a way of processing things that I learned, and it's also a way of me speaking life over myself, and hopefully when you listen to it, it can speak to you too. That little by little, it led me to make decisions that are aligned with the resets that I've been talking about all throughout the season. And I am just so grateful na may mga gantong bagay that we can, grab a mic and share the things that hopefully makatulong, hindi lang personally, hindi lang sa akin, but even to those na madadaanan, magkakaroon ng opportunity to listen and maybe one way or another, ayun nga, ma-change ko yung perspective ninyo, makapag-reset kayo in your own little way. Yun lang, I'm so grateful. And I just wanted to share with you quick recap on what we have been sharing in this podcast for the past 15 episodes. We've talked about identity resets, wherein hindi pala tayo yung trabaho natin, hindi tayo yung title natin, hindi tayo yung mga doubts, yung mga fears na nararanasan natin. Yung identity reset pala, it's about letting go of trying to prove ourselves through our roles, through aiming for perfection, and even yung every small things that we do na na-attach tayo doon na nagiging part siya ng identity natin. Hindi pala yun tayo. And I hope that you were able to learn from this podcast na we are who God says we are. Na hindi tayo yung doubts natin, hindi tayo yung burnout natin, hindi tayo yung mga bad things na nangyari sa past natin, but we are who God says we are. And si God, sabi niya we are deeply loved, we are chosen, we are equipped, we are powerful, we are created for more than enough. Second is, we've also talked about mindset resets. Yung burnout na meron tayo, yung procrastination that we might be experiencing, those imposter syndromes, and even yung feeling na parang ang tanda-tanda ko na pero walang nagpo-progress sa life ko, ganito pa rin ako. Same old. Kasi parang invisible yung progress natin. We have shifted our minds na hindi pala yun ibig sabihin failure tayo. We have shifted our minds na yung burnout, yung procrastination, yung imposter syndrome, those are just signals na deep within us, something is changing. Kaya hindi na nag-a-align yung physical na nakikita natin over dun sa internal change na nangyayari sa buhay natin. And we were able to learn how to reframe those things with what the truth is. Na hindi tayo lazy, na hindi tayo behind in life, na hindi tayo disqualified to succeed. But actually, We are given a sound mind. Meron tayong intellect. Binigyan tayo ni Lord ng brain na designed to be capable of clarity. Na kaya nating mag-move forward one step at a time nang hindi sobrang nagsastrive, na hindi sobrang nahihirapan or nag-effort, but we are trusting His grace. Grace and not grind. Ano ba yung grace? Grace is unmerited, unearned, undeserved favor ni Lord. The Lord giving you grace and understanding na pwede mong palitan yung mga belief na meron dyan sa mind mo na hindi na nakakatulong to who you are right now and who you wanted to be. We've also talked about money resets. Ito yung mga money scripts na meron tayo, 'di ba? Yung money doesn't grow on trees, yung mga principles tungkol sa pera na nagiging hindrance pala para maging successful pa tayo so that we can live abundantly, 'di ba? Mas magkaroon tayo ng openness in receiving money, in receiving prosperity because God designed this life so that we can have abundance. 'Di ba si Lord, bago niya kinreate yung tao, kinreate niya muna lahat-lahat ng kakailanganin ng tao. Ibig sabihin, yung abundance mo, it's everywhere bago ka pinanganak. Pero bakit natin hindi nakukuha yung abundance na yon? Dahil kasi pala sa mga money scripts na meron tayo, sa mga principles tungkol sa blessings, tungkol sa pera, tungkol sa prosperity na hindi nakakatulong. So we've also talked about that we are not limited. We are not stuck. In fact, yung scarcity, yung guilt, and even yung fear natin to success, fear natin to succeed in life, ano lang pala yun? Trick lang pala yun ng enemy. Trick lang pala yun para hindi mo makuha ano yung binigay sa'yo ni Lord. Kasi tayo, we are created to become stewards na nung mga resources na yun. We are created to trust God na siya yung source natin of the more than enough things na ibibigay niya sa atin. We've also talked about perspective reset na yung past natin doesn't define us. Our present is not the full picture. And even our future is not something to fear. I hope the podcast also was able to help you change those perspective about how you view your life. That this is not the end, that you can begin anytime, na walang timeline kang hinahabol technically. It's just you, your pacing, and how you wanted your future to be. And kapag finlip natin yung timeline na yun, kapag ni-raise natin yung standards natin, we've learned that makikita natin yung progress natin. Na kahit invisible yun, but you will look at your life differently. Kailangan lang natin matutunan kung saan tayo titingin. Anong progress sa buhay natin yung titignan natin. Because life looks different when you choose to live differently. When you choose to live from your future. Ano ba yung life na gusto mong maging? Live from there, not your history. Kaya kailangan nating i-shift yung perspective natin based on the life that we wanted to have in the future. At kapag ginawa natin yun, then everything in our life will change. It's all a matter of perspective. And last but not the least, kung meron akong super duper anchor that I wanted us to really pick up from the past episodes would be that faith reset. That at the core of every reset episode is grace. It's the love of God. Na dati, di mo naiisip yun, na dati feeling mo ikaw mag-isa ka lang sa buhay. But after listening to the podcast, nagkaroon ka ng different perspective on how the Lord sees you. That you were never meant to strive your way through life, but to live from the truth, and that you are greatly blessed, highly favored, and deeply loved by God. Na si God pala didn't give us the spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and a sound mind. That through Jesus, meron na tayong fresh start. He carried not just our sins. Alam na natin yun na si Jesus namatay on the cross to save us from our sins. Hindi lang yun. Hindi lang yung mga kasalanan, but even your shame, your striving to be accepted, to be worthy, lahat ng pains, lahat ng grief, lahat ng disappointments mo in life, all those things, dinala na yun ni Jesus sa cross. All those things, Jesus already suffered all of that for you so that you don't have to. Lahat ng heartbreaks natin, Kahit pala yung mga ganun. Kasi 'di ba parang alam na natin, lagi na nating naririnig na si Jesus tinubos ka sa kasalanan. Bukod doon, there are a lot of things na ginawa pa ni Lord sa atin through the cross. And when He rose from the dead, it means that you can also rise too with Jesus into a life of freedom, of abundance, of purpose. Ang best part nun, guys, you don't have to earn it. Kailangan mo lang i-accept yon. Kailangan mo lang yung tanggapin by faith na, Lord, hindi ko deserve. There's nothing good in me. Na Lord, makasalanan ako. Hindi ko deserve yon. Pero Lord, thank you. Kasi lahat yon dinil mo na pala sa cross. And dahil doon, it's already finished. Now your reset is to live like it's true. With your faith, it is true na naranasan ko na binago ni Lord yung buhay ko kasi tinuruan niya akong mag-reset. Now those are the summary, recap, if you wanna call it, ng mga past episodes that we've do, like in a broad scale of things, na yun yung mga pinag-usapan natin here. And honestly, yung mga resets na yun, they've also reset my own life. And speaking of resets, back in episode 10, I told you that I was locking into becoming a coach. And simula nung nagkaroon ako ng announcement na yun, God has been making that calling clearer and clearer. As in, literally, things have been falling into place, opportunities are opening, the teacher will come when the student is ready, and it did. As in, I just thank the Lord for all those opportunities that came my way when I announced it. And I know that it's time for me to focus my energy on building this work so that I can serve you better. Having said that, I'll be pressing pause on the podcast for now. I'm not saying goodbye forever. I'm not stepping away forever. But gagawin ko lang to because I wanted magkaroon ng deeper commitment in creating what's next. I'll still be teaching and of course, I'll be sharing. In fact, mas dadalasan ko pa in ways that are simple and direct. Pero nandun pa din yung same heart to give you resets that can shift your perspective and impact your life in bigger ways. Because I believe this is how I can create not just content, but even greater reset movement. Something that helps more people wake up, reset their lives, and step into the freedom they've been longing for. So, hindi ito end. It's just me resetting my focus and I will certainly be back. And before I close, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for listening, for showing up, for letting me be part of your journey. Every message, every play, every quiet moment you've spent with me, with this podcast, it has meant so much. My prayer is that you carry these resets with you. Na makita mo yung sarili mo the way God sees you. Na erase mo pa yung standards mo with the standards ni Lord kung paano niya ginawa at kinreate talaga yung life natin. That you will live with more freedom and that you remember you don't have to do this alone. You do it with Him. This is not goodbye. It's just next step. And I'll be back for sure. And when I return, I'll be bringing even more resets to help you shift how you see your life and how you live it. Your creative reset starts now, not someday, not later, but the moment you choose to step into your own reset. Again, my name is Danix Dumdum. I'm your host, and I give all the glory back to God for the wisdom He has poured out through every episode. I'll see you on your next creative reset. Thank you for having your creative reset with me. I'm Danix. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who might need the same reset today. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the show and give it a quick review. It helps us reach more people who feel stuck with self-doubt so they can also find clarity and creative freedom. Sometimes, the reset you need is a return to who He made you to be. Again, this is Danix Dumdum and see you on your next creative reset.